Nia Skyfer is one of the participants of season 22 of NBC's television singing reality show The Voice in 2022. Nia performed her energetic rendition of Camila Cabello's Bam Bam. This season, The Voice seems to have included a lot of Latino singers, and one such contestant was Nia. However, in reality, the blind auditions ended after Nia Skyfer amazed to bag the final spot on the show. Nia Skyfer was born in Cuba and moved to the United States of America. She took a keen interest in performing arts from a very early age. Her real name is Stephanie Concepcion, and she currently lives in Miami, Florida. As a bilingual artist, Nia has written and released music in both English and Spanish. She hit several high notes towards the end of her performance, with the climactic last moment being the cherry on top. Hailing from Havana, she hoped to bag a spot on the famed reality TV competition series, although Camila wanted to turn her chair for the contestant after hearing her sing. She couldn't as her team was already complete. John was the only coach who had a spot remaining on his team. Since the judges are known for being very picky and critical whenever any of the contestants on the show perform their songs, we were pretty much ready to see Camila deliver a speech nitpicking all the flaws in the performance. The Voice contestant has been passionate about singing since a very young age. She self-titled herself La Reina del Cielo because she believes she is as free and as unpredictable as the sky. She also took classical vocal lessons when she was 16 years old and is a trained actor and dancer. Nia began pursuing a degree in architecture in college. She changed her major to music 2 years later. So far, Nia has released a total of 7 singles. Most of her songs are in Spanish, except her 2020 single Some Days. Nia performed at the Breast Show, which took place on the grounds in Miami. Nia has released 7 singles on streaming sites. Her music is upbeat, but the lyrics are sometimes dark and nostalgic.